Hello students, welcome back. I'm Pratima. In this video, we'll learn so many things. We'll learn how to write a rational number with power notation, how to convert the power notation into rational numbers, and how to simplify very big rational expression with exponents or powers. This is from syllabus of class 7 CBSE. I've taken some questions from R.S. Agrawal book chapter 5. Let us begin. So before that, I must thank all my subscribers for supporting this channel and help it to grow day by day. Don't fear, I am with you and you can learn mathematics. So first we'll go for laws of exponent. We'll learn some laws so that we can apply and we'll be able to solve problems. First is, if same base with different powers will be multiplied, then the powers are added. Similarly, same base with different power, they will be divided. The powers will be subtracted. And when a base with exponent or power, again it will be raised to a power, then two powers will be multiplied. And if there are two bases with the same power, they will be multiplied, then their base will be the product of two numbers. And most important is, any rational number with power 0 will be 1. Any rational number with a negative power -1 is equal to its reciprocal 1 upon a. Any rational number a by b to the power -1 can be written as b by a. b by a is called reciprocal of a by b. A by b m is reciprocal of b by a power m. A by b to the power minus m is written as b by a to the power m when we need to make it positive. So with all these tools, now let us go for challenge. Question number 1, there are 4 parts. Here the question is, write each of the following in power notation. Power means how many times are they? That is the power. So I'll count only 5 by 7. How many times? It is 4 times. Just simply it will be 5 by 7 to the power 4. That's all. Now coming to second part. The same -4 by 3, -4 by 3, -4 by 3. How many times? 5 times. So write down -4 by 3 to the power 5. This is using power notation. Here it will be -1 by 6 to the power 3. And what will be 4? How many times 8 is there? 5 times. So -8 to the power 5. So this finishes question number 1. Question number 2. Here also you have to write with power notation. Power notation means how many whose power is 25 and whose same power will be 36. So we know that 25 can be written as 5 into 5. 36 can be written as 6 into 6. So it will be 5 by 6 multiplies 5 by 6. How many times? 2 times. So the power is 2. Similarly, second one, it will be -27 and 64. So we have to think of the prime factors. It will be 3 into 3 into 3. But there is a negative sign. So it must be -3, -3, -3. And here, same way 64 can be written as 3 times. So 4 into 4 into 4. So are you getting? Yes, so 3 by 4 to the power 3. Now coming to third one. Third one is equal to, I'm writing here, minus 32 by 243. Minus 32 has prime factors. How much? 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. 5 twos makes your 32. 2 into 2, 4, 2 are 8, 2 are 16, 2 are 32. Similarly, 243 has factor. You can do the prime factors. It will be 3 into 3 into 3 multiplies 3 multiplies 3. How many times? It is 5 times. But there is a negative sign. So don't forget to give the negative sign to your minus 2. 2. So negative, negative, negative. So the answer is 2 minus 2 by 3. How many times? It is 5 times. So this is the answer of part 3. Next coming to part 4. Part 4 is minus 1 by 128. So 128 again has only 2 factors. 2, 2, 6, 2, 4. Next is 2. So all 2's will come. How many times 2? It will be 7 times. 16, 2, 8, 2, 4, 2, 2. So how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So when it is 7 times, I'll write minus 1 also 7 times. Minus 1, minus 1, minus 1, minus 1, minus 1, minus 1. Upon 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it will be how much? Minus 1 by 2 multiplies minus 1 by 2. How many times? 7 times. Minus 1 by 2. So finished, or is there any another factor is there? So it will be, answer will be minus 1 by 2 to the power 7. Question number 3. Question number 3 is, again it is given in the power notation. You have to write as a rational number. So this is the question is opposite of it. That means we will find the simplified result. 2 multiplied how many times? 5 times. So I'll write 2 multiplies 2 multiplies 2 multiplies 2. Similarly, 3 will be multiplied 5 times. So then we'll write the whole product. So it will be 2 multiplied by 5 times 2 to the 4 to the 8 to the 16 to the 32, and 3 multiplied 5 times 3 into 3, 9, 27, 81, 2, 4, 3. So this is the answer of part 1. Coming to second one. Second one is also like this. Minus 8 multiplies minus 8 multiplies minus 8. And here it will be 5 multiplies 5 multiplies 5. So 8 into 8, 64. 64 multiplies 8. It will gives you 512. So 512, but it will be negative because it is multiplied 3 times. And here 5 5s are 125, 5s are 125. This is the answer. Now let us come to now third one. This will be minus 13 multiplies minus 13 and 11 multiplies 11. So when negative is multiplied 2 times, it will be positive. And 13 into 13, if you multiply, it is 169. And 11 into 11 is 121. So this is the answer of this questions. Your how many which parts? This is your third part. Now coming to fourth part. Fourth part will be 1 by 6 into 1 by 6 into 1 by 6. 1 multiplied by how many times? It will gives you 1. 6 into 6, 36. 36 multiplied 6, 216. So this is the answer of fourth part. Then coming to fifth part. Fifth part is like this only, 1 by 2, 1 minus 1 by 2, how many times? It will be 5 times, and already you know now when 2 is multiplied 5 times, this gives you 32, and negative multiplied 5 times gives negative, and 1 multiplied by any times is 1. So this will be 1 minus 1 by 32. Next, coming to sixth part. This will be minus 3, minus 3, minus 3, negative 3, negative, and 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. You can pause the video, you can write yourself because now you have understood. So this will be 3 into 3, 9, 27, 27, 3 are 81, and it will be positive or negative? Certainly it will be positive because I am multiplying 4 times. So positive, no need of negative sign. Now 2 to the 4 to the 8 to the 16. So try to do this very quickly. Similarly here minus 4 multiplies minus 4 multiplies minus 4. And 7 multiplies 7 multiplies 7. So 3 times negative, positive or negative, negative. 4 4 is 16, 4 is 64. And 7 multiplies 7 multiplies 7. So let us do here, and always do the rough in the right side, rough any calculation part. So 49 into 7. 7 9s are 6, 7 28, 34. So this will be 343. 343. And last one, minus 1 to the power 9. 9 times negative. Negative 1 to the power any times 1. So this is the answer. Question number 4. Question number 4 will apply this formula. Anything to the power negative is 1 by a. So it is easy now. You can write, and a upon b negative 1 a power is equal to b minus a. These two will be applied here. So first one, I am going for first one. First one is, now it is easy for you, you can write yourself immediately. 4 to the power minus 1 is equal to 1 by 4. That's all. Second part, negative 6 to the power minus 1. This negative will remain as it is, and we will write 1 by minus 6, but we write the negative in the numerator only. So it should be 1 by negative 6, but we write negative in numerator. Then third part, 1 by 3 minus 1. So it will be, its reciprocal, it will be 3 by 1. That's all. Then fourth part is minus 2 by 3 to the power negative 1. So it will be 3 by 2. And where I'll write this negative, I'll write this negative in the numerator. So this will be 3 by 2. Answer. Question number 5. Write the reciprocal. Reciprocal of a by b to the power m is b by a to the power m. This is called reciprocal. Reciprocal. Then what will the reciprocal of first one? Say, it will be 8 by 3. 8 by 3 to the power 4. What is the reciprocal of second one? It will be 6 by minus 5, but where I'll write negative, oh, it will be 6 will be with negative because it is in the numerator. So it will be by to the power 11. Third one, 6 to the power 7. 6 means 6 by 1. So its reciprocal will be how much? Reciprocal will be how much? 1 by reciprocal is 1 by 6 to the power 7. Coming to fourth part. Fourth part will be 1 by 4, but negative will be in the numerator. So this is the reciprocal of minus 4 to the power 3. Next, find the value of which concept will apply here. Anything to the power 0 is 1. Whole question will be done immediately within 1 second. Do 8 to the power 0. Oh, 1. Minus to the power 0, 1. It may be positive, it may be negative, but anything. Minus a to the power 0 is also 1. So it will be 1, not minus 1. It will be 1. It will be 1. It will be 1. Next is 4 to the power 0 plus 5. The 1 plus 1, that is 2. Then 6 to the power 0, 1 into 7 to the power 0, 1. 1 into 1 is 1. Question number 7. Simplify each of the following expresses rational number. Simplify this. Simplify this means you have to go on whole expansion. Expansion means 3 by 2. 3 is multiplied 4 times in the numerator and denominator is also multiplied 4 times. 3 by 2, 4 times. So this is the same as 3 multiplied 4 times and 2 multiplied 4 times. And here it is 1 by 5 multiplied 1 by 5. Now multiply whole numerator. So how much it will be? It will be 81, 3, 4 times. By this time you must have remembered this. And here how to multiply? 5 to the 10, 5 to the 10, 100, 2 to the 4. You will group it and you will get the multiplication easily. Take 1 5 to 10, take 1 5 to 10 and 4 remain, so 400. And second part, minus 2, how many times I'll multiply? 5 times. And 3 I'll multiply again 5 times. I hope you are writing the copy and you are checking whether you have done correct or whether I have done correct or both are correct. How many times? It will be only 3 times. So it is not 5 times. It will be only 3 times to the power 3. So 3 times, then I'll go for 7 also 3 times. Now can anything can be cancelled? Common divisor? Yes. 3 will be cancelled. 3, here will be minus 1. Then 3, here will be minus 1. Another 3, it will be minus 1. And no more cancelling. Just multiply now. How many negative? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it will be positive 8 times. Now multiply 2 to the 4 to the 8 to the 16 to the 32. Next you multiply your 7 into 7 into 7. 343. Multiply your 3 into 3, 9. So it will be 9 3s are 27, carries 2. 9 for the 36 to 38. 3 9s are 30. So 3087 because no more can. So next question. 7 third part, minus 1 by 2 to the power 5. 2 cube 3 by 4. Here 4 square. So it will be minus 1 to the power 5 will be minus 1. 2 to the power 5 will be 32. Next is 2 to the power 3, 8. And 3 square is 9. Upon 4 square is 16. Now you can cancel 8 1s are 8 2s are. So how much it will be? It will be minus 9 by 64. Finished. Coming to second part. Second part will be 2 raised to the power 3. It will be 4. 2 raised to 2 is 4. 3 to the raised to the power 2 is 9. Multiplies. Minus 3 to the power 3 is minus 27. 5 raised to the 3 means 5, 5, 5. 5 power 3 is 125. Next is 7 multiplied 2 times. 7 into 7, 49. 2 multiplies 2 times. So 2 into 2, 4. So next you cancel. 9, 3s are 27. 4 4s are cancelled. So multiply 49 into 3. So it will be 147. And there will be a negative sign. So 147 and by 125. Next coming to third one. So there is a bracket here and there is a subtraction here. So you should take care. So minus 3 power 3 will be negative minus 3, 3, 27 upon 4 multiplies 4 3 times. So there will be 64 and minus, it will be minus multiplied 3 times, it will be minus 5 multiplied 3 times, it will be 125 upon 2 multiply 3 times, it will be 8. Whole bracket into 4 square. 4 square is 16. So next we'll simplify. It will be 10 minus 27 by 64 and this will become minus minus positive 125 by 8 whole into 16. So what is the LCM? LCM is 64 minus 27 and this will be 125 into 8. So 1000 multiply 16. Now 16 you can cancel with 4. Here it will be 16. So 16 4s are 16. Now 1000 minus 27. What is the answer? Subtract. So 973 is the answer. 973 by 4. So 973 by 4 is the answer. So A is any rational number. So here it is for question number 1 it is 4 by 9. For 2 it is minus 7 by 8. So I am doing part 1. So I'll write 4 by 9 to the power 6 plus minus 4. So how much it is? It is 2. Now take the power. Minus 4 power 2 is 16. And 9 power is 81. So answer is 16 by 81. Is it not easy? Now here common base is minus 78. And here it is minus 3 plus 2. Minus, I'll add this minus 3 and plus 2. So it will be how much? It will be your minus 1. And we don't keep the answer with negative power. So we will change it. How will change? We will take minus 8 by 7. It's reciprocal. Negative will be in the numerator only. Now coming to third part. In third, common base is 4 by 3. So it will be 4 by 3 to the power minus 3 minus 2. Minus 3 minus 2 is how much? Minus 5. And shall I keep the answer in this way? No. So this will be 3 by 4 to the power 5. And it is given right as a rational number. So how much it will be? It will be 3 power 3 means 3 into 3, 9, 27, 81, 243. And 4, 5 times. Oh my God. 4 4s are 16. 16 4s are 64. 64 4s are 256. And again another 4 I'll multiply. 4 6 are 24, carries 2. 4 5s are 22. 4 2s are 8, 10. So it will be 1024. Question number 9. Express each of the following as a rational number. So this is your based on this concept. So what I'll write? You'll write 5 to the power minus 3 is will be how much? 1 by 5 to the power 3. 1 by 5 to the power 3 means how much? 1 by 125, because 5 into 5 into 5. Isn't easy? Minus 2 to the power 5, minus 5. So this will be 1 by minus 2 to the power 5. So negative power 5, it will be negative. And 1 by 2 into 2 into 2, it will be 32. So minus 1 by 32 is the answer. Don't write 1 by minus 32. This is standard way of writing, not your 1 by minus 32. No, this is not the procedure. Next is third one. 1 by 4 to the power negative 4. So take the reciprocal, it will be 4 to the power 4. 4 to the power 4 means 4 into 4. We have already done 16. 4, 64. 4, 256. Question number 9, fourth part. So 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th. So fourth part is the same thing you can do now. 4 by minus 4 by 3 to the power 3. So minus 4, how many times? 3 times. So this will be negative 64. And 3 is 27, 3 into 3. So this finishes your fourth part. Then fifth part will be, how much will be this? This will be minus 1 by 3 into, this will be 3. When you will make it positive, it will be reciprocal 3. 3, 3 cancel. The answer is 1. Then coming to sixth part, if I remove this negative, it will be 7 by 5. And if I remove this negative, it will be 4 by 7. Cancel 7 and 7, it will be 4 by 5. Then coming to seventh part. 5 to the power minus 1, minus 7 to the power minus 1, to the power minus 1. What is 5 to the power minus 1? 1 by 5. 7 to the power minus 1, 1 by 7. First simplify, take the negative power. It will be how much? 35, 7 minus 5 to the power minus 1. So 2 by 35 to the power minus 1. How to make it positive? Change the numerator to denominator, denominator to numerator. This is the answer. Then question number 9, eighth part. In the same way, we will write this is 3 by 4 and this will be 4 only. 1 by 4, its reciprocal is 4 by 1, so 4 whole to the power minus 1. So first you simplify this. 3 by 4, it will be 4 is LCM. It will be 3 minus 16 to the power minus 1. So minus 13 to the power divided by 4 to the power minus 1 is equal to minus 4 by 13. Now ninth part. Ninth part will be how much? I hope you can do now yourself. You can check the result only. So 3 by 2 to the power minus 1 division minus 2 by 5 to the power minus 1. Then it will be how much? It will be 2 by 3. Division, it will be 5 minus 5 by 2. Now you know division means when we divide a by b, we multiply its reciprocal. So it will be minus 2 by 5. So it will be minus 4 by 15. Negative, negative multiplied, positive, positive multiplied. Question number 10. 10 is very difficult question, it seems. Is it difficult? No, it is not difficult because anything to the power 0, it is your 1. Anything when we are powerless, we go to God. God is 1. So this is 1. Question number 10. 10 is based on this concept. Power of a power is power multiplied. Two powers multiplied. So here we'll multiply all the powers together. It is seem to be very complicated, but it is very easy if you know this rule. All the powers I will multiply. So minus 1 by 4 to the power, I'll multiply 2 into minus 2 into minus 1. So how much it will be? It will be minus 4 into minus 1 plus 4. You know the answer? If it is simplified, this will be only the answer. No need of writing into rational numbers. If the question is right in the rational number, then it will be 1 by 4 power. It will be 256, and negative 4 power it will be positive. So this will be 1 by 256. Coming to second part. Minus 2 by 3 to the power. Again I will multiply the powers 2, 3. So this will be minus 2 by 3 to the power 6. Question number 10, third part. Minus 3 by 2 to the power 3. Division minus 3 by 2 to the power 6. So it is based on this concept, a to the power m. Division a to the power n is equal to a to the power m minus n. Same base and power different, they are divided, then the powers are subtracted. So I'll subtract 3 and see. So minus 3 by 2 to the power 3 minus 6. So this will be minus 3 by 2 to the power minus 3. Shall I keep this answer in this form? No, I'll make it positive. So this will be, I'll take the reciprocal, it will be power 3. Fourth part. Minus 2 by 3, it is the same question. It has a power 7, division minus 2 by 3 power 4. When division means subtract the power immediately. So 2 by 3, 7 minus 4, very easy, to the power 3. So minus 2 by 3 to the power 3. No need of changing because this is a positive power. Question number 11. By what number should minus 5 to the power minus 1 is multiplied to the product 8 to the power minus 1? What should be multiplied with this to get the product this? So what we'll do, we do product divided by number. You get the other number. So I'll write 8 to the power minus 1 division minus 5 to the power minus 1. And how to this remove this minus 1? 1 by 8. How to remove this? It will be 1 by 5. And what is the meaning of division? Multiplying by with reciprocals. 5 by 1. So what is the answer? Oh, sorry, it was a negative there. Negative. So it will be negative. So it will be minus 5 by 8 is the answer. Question number 12. By what number should 3 to the power minus 3 is multiplied to get 4? So I'll write 4 division 3 to the power minus 3. So 4 division, it will be 1 by 3 to the power 3. Positive. First you will make positive. Then you will do for division. What is division? Division will be 3 power 3 by 1. 1 any power is 1. So 3 to the power 3 is 27 into 4, 108. Answer. By what number should minus 30 to the power minus 1 is divided by this? This will be the result after the division. By what number we'll divide to get this? This is the meaning same. So I'll write minus 30 to the power minus 1 division. I'll get 6 to the power minus 1. So it will be minus 1 by 30 division 1 by 6. So this will be minus 1 by 30 multiplication 6 by 1. Now 6 and 30 will be cancelled. The answer is minus 1 by 5. Find x. So next is question number 14. 3 by 5 to the power 3, 3 by 2 to the power minus 6. So you will apply same concept, a to the power m into a to the power n is equal to a to the power m plus n. So in the left side we can apply this one because they have same base. So it will be 3 by 5 to the power how much? 3 plus minus 6 is equal to 3 by 5 to the power 2x minus 1. Now 3 plus minus 6, it will be minus 3. So 3 by 5 will write or we will write implies that minus 3 is equal to 3 by 5 into 2x minus 1. They have same base same. So exponent must be same so that they are equal. It is given exponents will be same, will be equal. Exponent means power. So I'll write 2x minus 1 is equal to minus 3, or 2x is equal to minus 3 plus 1 minus 2. So what will be x is equal to minus 1. So this is the answer of this question. X is equal to minus 1. I hope you followed. So next we'll go to next question. Question number 15. Simplify. This is a simplification. So you do according to your wish. You can expand all the things. You can find the whole number and you can factorize also. You can write the factors. So any way you divide, we do. So here we can apply a to the power m into b to the power m is equal to a into b to the power m. Why? Now there is a 6 to the power m 5. I can write this 3 to the power 5 into 2 to the power 5. I can write. Then only I can cancel with 3 to the power 5. This is the motto. Similarly, I can write 10 to the power 5 as 5 to the power 5 and 2 to the power 5. So that it can be simplified with 5 power. So I am writing now 3 to the power 5 into 10. I am breaking to 2 and 5. So 2 to the power 5 into 5 to the power 5. And 25 will be as it is. I am not touching it. Next is 5 to the power 7 and 2 to the power 5 and 3 to the power 5. So I break 6 to the 5 as 2 to the 5 and 3 to the power 5. Now see, we are getting so many things cancelled. 3 to the power 5, 3 to the power 5 cancelled. And your cancelled what else? 2 to the power 5, 2 to the power 5 cancelled. Now see, this is 5 to the power 5 and I can write that 25 is 5 to the power 2. So when 5 to the power 5 into 5 to the power 2, how much it will be? It will be 5 to the power 7. So 5 to the power 7 upon 5 to the power 7. What is the answer? Answer is 1. So there was just such a big expression, but we made into 1 because we know the rules of exponents. Question number 16. Oh my god, this is a very big question with so many n are there. Simplify. Simplify. So I hope you are also thinking with me. So what we'll write? I'll write that in the numerator, see, there is a 2 to the power n plus 1. Its meaning is this is 2 to the power n into 2 to the power 1. or I can write that this is 2 into 2 to the power n, or I can write this 4 as, that means either I'll convert this expression into n, or I'll convert this as n plus 1. Then only I can take something common, or they have a common multiple, common factor. Similarly, here there is here there is 2 n plus 1 is common, so I can take easily. So what I am doing, I am writing numerator as 16 into 2 to the power n plus 1 minus this 4 I am making as 2 into 2, 2 to the power n. 4 I wrote as 2 to the power 2. Now at the same time in the denominator, I am taking 2 to the power n plus 1, a common factor outside. In first, only 16 will remain, and in second, only 2 will remain. In the next step, I write 16 into 2 to the power n plus 1, and the second term, I'll take these together. 2 is free, and this will become 2 to the power n plus 1, as I have written here. 2 into 2 to the power n plus 1 will become 2 to the power n plus 1. Upon, now a little bit I can simplify. 16 minus 2 is 14. Now see the numerator. There also I am getting a 2 to the power n plus 1 factor. So 2 to the power n plus 1 I can take common. So first 16 will remain, second 2 will remain. And 2 to the power n plus 2 into 14. So will you get 14 in the numerator? Yes. This will be 14 into 2 to the power n plus 1 by 14 into 2 to the power n plus 2. I can cancel 14, 14, n plus 2. Now come to this. So you will see 2 to the power n plus 2 can be again broken to 2 to the power n plus 1 into 2. See this very carefully. So I'll break the denominator in this form. So 2 to the power n plus 1 by 2 to the power n plus 1 into 2. These two will be cancelled. 2 to the power n plus 1 and 2 to the power n plus 1 will be cancelled to. Let us take a different color, and the numerator will be 1, denominator will be 2. So this is the answer of this big question. Question number 17. Find the value of n when 5 to the power 2n into 5 to the power 3 is equal to 5 to the power 9. So a to the power m multiplies a to the power n is equal to a to the power m plus n. So I'll write this is 5 to the power 2n plus 3 is equal to 5 to the power 9. So they have same base and they are equal. They have same base. They are equal. So their exponent will be equal. So I'll write 2n plus 3 is equal to 9. So 2n is equal to 9 minus 3, that will be 6. Or 2n is equal to 6. What is the value of n? N is equal to 3. Now coming to second part. Second part, see, here there is a 8. So I'll make into exponent power 2 power 3. Here also I'll make into 2 power 5. 32 is how many times? 2 5 times. So it will be 2 to the power 5. So I'm writing 8 2 to the power n plus 2 is equal to 32. I'll convert 2 to the power 3. 8 is converted to this into 2 to the power n plus 2 is equal to 2 to the power 5. Now I'll keep this 2 to the power n plus 2 left side, and here 2 to the power 5 divided by 2 to the power 3. So this power will be subtracted. So this will be 2 to the power 2. So I am getting 2 to the power n plus 2 is equal to 2 to the power 2. Now they have same base again. So they will have same exponent. N plus 2 is 2. So n is equal to how much? 0. So the value of n is here 0. Question number 16, third part. 2 to 6 to the power 2n plus 1 division 36 is 6. So we'll make this 36 x 6 power. 36 is how much? 6 power 2. So I'll write 6 to the power 2n plus 1 division 6 power 2 is equal to 6 power 3. Now division means I'll subtract 2n plus 1 minus 2. I'll power subtract the power. Now see they have the same base, so they have same power. So or we'll write 2n plus 1 minus 2 is equal to 3. Now simplify left side. Plus 1 minus 2. It will be minus 1. Then 2n is equal to 4. N is equal to 4 by 2. That will be 2. Question number 18. Okay, now this is question number 18. 2 to the power n minus 7 into 5 to the n minus 4 is equal to this. Find the value of n. This is a tricky question because neither the base is equal nor the power is equal. You cannot combine this. So we have to find a way. What is the way? See whether n minus 7 is greater, n minus 7 is greater or n minus 4 is greater. N minus 4 is greater. So n minus 4 I'll write as n minus 7 plus 3. I'll change this 5 to power. So I'll write 2 n minus 7 multiplies 5 n minus 7 into 5 to the power 3. Just see n minus 7 plus 3 is equal to n minus 4. So I broke 5 to the power n minus 4 is equal to 5 to the power n minus 7 plus 3, or this is equal to 5 to the power n minus 7 into 5 to the power 3. So this is equal to 1250. Now I'll combine these two with this formula. Base will be multiplied because now they have the same exponent. So this will be 10 n minus 7. And how much is this? 5 to the power 3, it is 125. So this is equal to 1250. Now 125 I'll divide here. So 10 to the power n minus 7 is equal to 1250 divided by 125. How much? It is 10. So you are getting 10 to the power n minus 7 is equal to 10 to the power 1. Same base. So exponent will be 7. N minus 7 is 1. So what is n? N is equal to 8. This is the answer of this question. Now go to show your problem solving skills to others. Do all the problems, whatever it comes to your front. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe the channel.